Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make the best beef stock. Roast bones until deeply browned, then transfer to a large stock pot. Add mirepoix, tomato paste, and cold water to cover by 2 inches. Bring to a gentle simmer and skim foam. Add bay leaf, peppercorns, and thyme tied together. Simmer low for 8 to 12 hours, then cool and strain before refrigerating or freezing. Store labeled portions. Choose marrow and knuckle bones for rich gelatin and beefy flavor, optionally adding meaty scraps. Roast bones hot until caramelized, then remove and deglaze the pan with red wine or water, scraping brown bits. Return bones to the pot with fresh water and aromatics. Keep a low simmer and avoid boiling to preserve clarity. Skim periodically and reduce gently to concentrate flavor before cooling and straining. Taste and adjust salt at the end. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while simmering long stocks with the Owala water bottle because it seals tight and keeps water cold for hours. It fits in most kitchen shelves and cleans easily after messy roasts. Enjoy your cooking breaks between long simmers. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Season beef stock lightly early and adjust salt after reduction and straining for best control. Cool broth quickly by dividing into shallow containers, then refrigerate to let fat solidify for easy removal. For long-term storage, freeze in labeled portions or ice cube trays for sauces and small recipes. Use stock for braises, soups, and risottos to add depth. Reheat gently and skim any separated fat before serving. Serve warm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.